Let's explore further into the world of knots with the two half hitches. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at Knotskool. I hope you enjoy it. The two half hitches is a versatile and commonly used knot. It provides a relatively secure method for attaching a rope to an anchor point. Its simplicity and ease of tying make it a staple in various ropework applications, though its limitations must be acknowledged. The two half hitches is classified as a hitch knot, and hitch knots are used to secure a rope to an object. Structurally, the two half hitches consist of two successive half hitches tied around an object or the standing part of another rope. It builds upon the basic half hitch, providing increased security. It shares structural similarities with other hitches that utilize multiple wraps for increased friction, such as the round turn and two half hitches. To tie a two half hitches knot, pass the working end of the rope around the object to be secured. Then pass the working end around the standing part of the rope and back through the loop formed. Now repeat this process, creating two successive half hitches. Finally, dress and tighten the knot. The two half hitches finds use in a wide range of applications, including general rope work, boating and sailing, and securing loads. It's often used for tying off to rings, posts, and other fixed objects. Industries utilizing the two half hitches include in maritime, construction, and in general utility. The two half hitches performs reasonably well with various rope materials, but its holding power is enhanced with natural fiber ropes. While it can be used with synthetic ropes, care must be taken to ensure it's tied and dressed correctly. It's important to keep the knot under consistent tension, as slippage can occur under fluctuating loads. The primary risk associated with the two half hitches is its potential to slip under fluctuating or heavy loads. It's important to ensure that the knot is dressed and tightened correctly, otherwise slippage is very likely. For safety, it's often recommended to use the round turn and two half hitches for added security, especially in critical applications. The two half hitches is documented in the Ashley Book of Knots and can be found as knot number 1781 on page 301.